In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a Miro board step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Miro is an incredibly powerful collaboration tool, but if you don't know where the editing options are, it can feel overwhelming at first. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to modify elements, add and edit text, move and resize objects, and lock or unlock items so your board stays clean and organized. This is perfect for team collaboration, workshops, brainstorming sessions, or personal planning. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. Once you have your Miro board open, the first thing you should know is how to modify elements that are already on the board. To do this, simply click on any object, like a shape, sticky note, or text box. As soon as you select it, a context menu will appear near the object or at the top of the screen. From here, you can change things like the color, border style, font type, font size, and alignment. This is extremely useful when you want your board to look more organized or match a specific brand or theme. You can quickly standardize colors or fonts across your board just by selecting and adjusting elements one by one. Next, let's talk about adding and editing text in Miro. To add new text, look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click on the T icon. Once you click it, move your cursor onto the board and click anywhere you want the text to appear. You can immediately start typing, and once you're done, click outside the text box to save it. If you want to edit existing text, it's even easier. Just double-click on any text already on the board, and you'll be able to make changes right away. You can also use the formatting options to adjust font size, color, or emphasis so your ideas stand out clearly. Now let's move on to moving and resizing objects, which is something you'll do constantly when working in Miro. To move an object, simply click on it and drag it to a new location on the board. You'll notice alignment guides appear to help you line things up neatly. To resize an object, click on it and then use the small handles at the corners. Dragging these handles lets you make the object bigger or smaller while keeping everything proportional. This is especially helpful when organizing complex boards with lots of elements and you want everything to look clean and readable. Another very important feature in Miro is the ability to lock and unlock objects. This is perfect for preventing accidental edits, especially when you're working with a team. To lock an object, right-click on it and select the lock option. Once locked, the object can't be moved, resized, or edited until it's unlocked again. This is great for backgrounds, templates, or finalized sections of your board. If you ever need to make changes, just right-click the object again and choose Unlock, and you'll regain full editing control. As you can see, editing a Miro board is all about knowing where the tools are and how to use them efficiently. With these basic editing options, you can quickly customize your board, keep everything organized, and collaborate without confusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Miro tips and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.